Well, did you know approximately 800,000 Americans have a stroke every year, with 1 in 4 survivors having a second one?
At ProMedica Toledo Hospital, the stroke team works to change these types of statistics and help patients recover from strokes each day.
Well, now the hospital is celebrating after being awarded the National Voters' Choice Hero by the American Stroke Association. And to learn more about the work they're doing at Toledo Hospital's ProMedica Dr. Syed Zaidi. Well, good morning to you, doctor. Thanks for getting up early with us this morning. So glad to have you. Tell us about this award. What is that great work that really made others take notice?
Thank you so much, and good morning to you as well. And again, thanks for this recognition from the American Stroke Association. We could not be more proud. So first off, it's important to recognize this is not an award for an individual. This is a recognition for our entire stroke team and hospital administration, really, to put in so much effort to be able to receive this prestigious award. So this is truly a proud moment for us. And again, our day-to-day job truly is to take care of stroke patients and do the best we can to help our patients survive a stroke, recover from a stroke. But our team, and again, so proud of them, does so much more, from advocacy at the state level, helping advance the triage protocols within the local communities, helping develop international stroke centers, contributing to national and international research, coming up with stroke, social determinants, and help from that perspective. So again, there's just so much that our team does, and to be recognized is such a wonderful event.
Yeah, and Dr. Zaidi, we know that you all really work to get patients to the hospital much faster, not only here locally, but really statewide. And you hear so often, right, this idea that time lost is brain lost. What are some of the signs and symptoms when it comes to stroke? Right.
So stroke, as you just said, the time is brain. The earlier the stroke patients can come to us, the better the treatments we can offer them and help them in terms of their improvement. So it's very important to be able to recognize the stroke symptoms and call 911 immediately. Typically, the acronym we use is BFAST, which stands for loss of balance, difficulty with the vision or loss of vision, face droopiness, drift in the arm, change in the speech. Any of those symptoms, if someone is experiencing them, it's time to call 911.
And doctor,
and again, as I mentioned, the sooner the patients come to us, the better we can treat them.
And doctor, we also need to think about what we can do to try to prevent this from happening. I know sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't feel like going to the gym today, but I can imagine exercise is something that can really help you with this.
Absolutely. So routine exercise, taking care of yourself just in general. But again, high blood pressure is one of the, it's known as a silent killer, and it's also a risk factor for cardiac disease as well. So controlling your blood pressure, smoking cessation, again, that's a very important risk factor, at least locally. So all those lifestyle modifications and changes, they go a long way in helping prevent strokes in future.
Well, Dr. Zaidi, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations to you and the stroke team at ProMedica.
Thank you so much, and you can certainly learn more.
Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Yeah, and you can learn more about the links mentioned section of WTOL.com. Certainly very life-saving information we want to make sure many people know about. We'll be right back.